Hi everybody and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. Today's video is a bit different and I'm doing this video in collaboration with Kimberly Davis from Diva Designing on a Dime and Bre from Bre's project book. Do check out their channels. They are wonderful YouTubers with varied concepts, DIYs and glamorous decors in their content videos in their channels. Do check out their channels and the playlist created by them. I'll put links in the description box below. Today's video is about sharing some family traditions for Christmas and decorating a space. Christmas, well, it's a lovely festival and comes in a great time of the year. In our part of the world, we mostly have 3 to 4 months of hot summer season, about 5 to 6 months of moderate temperature with monsoons, and this spring and this time is actually beautiful. The winter has set in, but it's not very cold. It's a lovely time of the year, and Christmas comes around this time of the year, and it's so much fun because the kids have holidays. The husband at least gets 1 day of holiday at least, and the new year being so close by, it's a time to rejoice, it's a time to enjoy. If not on the Christmas day, well, we don't go out on the Christmas day, we stay at home mostly, but before and after we go out a lot. This is the perfect time to explore around. And if you would have known me for some time, you would know that because of my husband's job, we need to keep moving. We move from one part of the country to another, and in every place there's a lot to explore. That's one good part. If you have a life which needs to move around, that's one additional point to it. So in every new place that we go around this time of the year, near about Christmas, before and after that, we go out and explore. We go to big shopping malls, or we go to big areas which are decorated for Christmas. There are these huge Christmas trees, beautifully lit up, huge Santas, huge reindeers, all lights and glitter and lots of glamour. And people share so much of creativity. People make Christmas tree just out of bells, just out of lights. It's so much beautiful to watch all this. So we just go out, and then there are festivals, winter carnivals going around. So we have some beautiful performances going here and there. So you just need to keep a little tag of what event is happening where, and just go ahead and enjoy it. There are musical nights. It's beautiful around this time. Even the pressure of studies on children is less around this time. The exams are over. All they have is a bit of holiday homeworks, and they have the holidays coming right in front, or they're enjoying holidays. So it's a lot of fun. Apart from just going out, we also have been to cathedral. Last time, in our last place that we were in, there was this huge old cathedral, and we went there, and it was beautifully decorated, and I loved the architecture, the peaceful surrounding it had. Then this year I'm looking forward to a Christmas party in a special club, and the club members are very talented. They are trained in various skills, and the way they decorate and the way they create the decorations around the place for Christmas, and the food items that they create. They make their own wines also. So it's amazing. I'm really looking forward to this Christmas party this year. And other than these, we also do picnics. So if we have family around us, cousins, close family, distant cousins or distant family, or like that, we all gather around because this is lovely time. So we go out somewhere, do a potluck and have a picnic. It's a lot of fun, a lot of outdoor activity, and the kids are there. So all the generations are there together. So it's a lot of fun. If we are in a place where we don't have our families with us, we 2 or 3 friends and their families, we go out together. Even that is a lot of fun, because our friend circle would have children of near about the same age group. So it's a lot of fun. We go out, explore an outdoor space. It's really nice to take a day off from the routine life, from the city life, and just break into the nature and enjoy the lovely weather with some lovely food items from different households. It's just pure fun. Talking about food, every year, ever since I remember, ever since I've learned to bake a cake, every year on Christmas Day I bake my own cake. And now that my kids are growing up, they want to do some cooking with me as well. And because there are holidays on the Christmas Day, we all together bake the cake. They help me out, I help them out. Either way, we bake a cake, and it's fun. It's a lot of fun. They want to do it, and it's nice learning process. It's nice passing it on. It's a lot of sharing, and it's nice when they are so excited. And as the cake is getting baked inside the oven, the house fills up with this lovely aroma of whichever flavor I have added. Once I had rum in the cake. I do different kinds of cakes every year. It's a different kind of cake, and my children were even more younger, and every time they had a slice of the cake, they were like, "Oh, I'm feeling a bit strange," and we would all laugh and giggle, because hardly, I mean, how much of alcohol has really gone in? But kids are, that's what is to enjoy and cherish. And that's what festivals are for. My son would peep in through the glass door of the oven, and he would look at the cake every now and then. "Mama, it's rising, it's taking up color, the flavor is coming out." So it's fun, it's really fun. And that's what festivals are for. Whichever festival, I believe festivals bring people together. They bring families, friends, people with good vibes together. They decorate, they wear good clothes, they eat good food, we share things, we share gifts, we share food, we share fond memories. People go out and donate as per their faith, belief or capacity. It's a good thing. It's spreading good messages, it's spreading good vibes amongst people, good memories, creating good memories. It's something like the Patronus charm in Harry Potter. I love Harry Potter. So the Patronus charm is only effective when you have a strong, good, positive memory. And this positive memory, the Patronus charm is used to ward off or shun off the Death Eater. What is Death Eater in real life, I believe, is the negative situation, a difficult situation where you are drained out of your positivity, your working energy, your enthusiasm for life. That is getting drained out by the Death Eater or the difficult situation. And this is the time when you need the Patronus charm to ward off this evil. And this Patronus charm in real life is the strong, good memory, the good vibes, the good relationship you created with people around you. It is this positive feeling that life is not all that bad, there is good still in there. There are friends, there is family who would come out and help you. Or it's this building of a good strength inside. All this positive and good memories help to build that strength inside, to fight the bad times. And that's what festivals are for, to spread goodness. And other than good foods, friends, families, we decorate our home. And this year I upcycled a drawer and I have made it into an organizer or a tray. I might later change it into a tray, into a shelf. I just keep changing things. So I'm going to share with you how I use this in my decor space. So if you have seen my home tour, you have already seen my hutch area. It was already decorated. Today I'll show you how I added one piece at a time and decorated my hutch area with family photographs and then some colorful plates, pine cones, my regular use napkins, greens, this tray or an upcycled chalk paint drawer, and I love it. I love the way the house is turned up in all festive look, all cheerful red and white. So if you haven't seen my home tour, please come and see my home tour, and I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel, help me grow, and give your comments to this. Today's video was a bit different, a bit unusual video, but hope you liked it, and hope you all will be here again in my next video. See you soon. Have a lovely holidays, Merry Christmas, and a very happy times ahead. See you all.